Welcome to my ELA class, and today we'll learn about tips on writing a reflective essay using the acronym REFLECT. R stands for remember the experience. What happened? What details stand out? E, explore your feelings. How did the experience make you feel? F, find the meaning. What did you learn? How did it change you? L, link to your life. Connect it to other experiences or ideas. E, express yourself. Use vivid language and be honest. C, for conclude thoughtfully. Summarize and share your final thoughts. T, take time to revise. Polish your writing for clarity and impact. This is ELA Tidbits for 1 minute. Mabuhay!